Hi, today I'm working out of my Saving with Friends binder, and I have $30. I have 2 5s in here, and then the rest are 1s. And let's see. And I have my 12-sided die. That's 10, 7, 4, 12, 5, onyx, 8, 12, 4. Let's see. 4, 2, 2. Got one of the 5s. 1, 6, 5, 7, 11, 5. Got a 5, the last 5. 11, 6, 11, and I might have a couple more. 10, 2, and the last one, 7. Okay. And now, let's see. This one's from Ellie on Earth, and it got $1. And this one's from Budgeting the Bacon, and it got 5, 6, 7. And this one's from Emma's Mom Budgets. Oh, I didn't get any. I didn't get any today. Next is from Saving with Tiffany. It's a penguin. I got 2. I had 1 March, so I'll do that and half of 1. It's getting ready to rain here. It's been hot, but it's cooler today. And this one's from Onyx Budget for Success, and it got $7. And this one's from Mindy's Budgeting, and it got $2. And This one's the Road to 1K from Sunshine and Chaos Budgeting. And I think it's part of a collab. Cash Budget Retiree Budgeting with On and Dragonfly Saves. And it got $3. So do a 2 and a 1. And then next up is my happy birthday. And I got $1. Mindy's didn't get any today. This one I put a new, it's from Sadie J, Money Boss in the Making. And it got $2. And then this one's from Windmill Ridge Budgets and More. It's her happy birthday. And it got $3. And then last up is my butterfly one. It got $2. Then we get to complete it and add in another one. And with this one, I saved $22. And it'll be going to the bank and for sinking funds. And I'm going to add in this USA from Budgets with Elma. And we'll see if we land on that one next week. And that's all I have for today. I'll see you in the next video. Hope you guys are having a great week. Thanks for watching.